Hello, welcome back. Oh, we're getting closer and closer. Let's see, we're on day number 16. Let's see what we've got today. We have stencils. Okay, so these are little snowflake stencils, all different. Go. Oh, I'll have fun with them today. Let's get started. Okay, I think I've picked out this stencil. I like this one. I'm going to try some subtractive stenciling with it and see how that goes. So I'm going to start off by getting some gesso down on this page. I think I might go dark again, but we'll start with a base of gesso and give that a dry. Okay, now I'm going to take some Payne's grey, put a little bit down. I've got myself a wet cloth, well, a cloth which I'm going to dampen down anyway. Got my layer of Payne's grey. I do like Payne's grey. Beautiful colour. And then whilst it's wet, hang on, I'm just going to spray my cloth here to dampen it down. I'm going to lay my stencil over and rub off the paint in between the stencil. Like so. Go. So it looks like this sort of frosty. Do I want another look now? Frosty look to it. I quite like. Let's give that another quick dry. It's dry, and I've just been digging through my stuff, and I've got this glimmer mist spray. I'm going to give it a spritz and see what that does. Ooh, if it's working, it might be clogged. Can I get it to work? Nope. We'll have to flick it, I think, instead. Not sure that's done a great deal. I've got iridescent bright gold ink here. Nice. Was looking for a sponge. Let me see if I can find one. I can't find a sponge, but I'm quite liking that as it is. And I think I've pulled out some of the lace. I'm going to have along that edge there. And also one of our snowflakes too. Oh, this glue, which takes forever to come out. Right. I really actually prefer Fabri-Tac, but I've run out at the moment. Okay, I'm going to grab a little bit of some fabric scrap, and maybe I've got this piece of tracing paper with what looks like snow on it. And I'm going to make myself a little tab on this side. That needs to be shorter. Something like that, I think. Maybe we'll grab the blue cotton and stitch that on. I think that'd be quite nice. I'll be back in a mo. Okay, I stitched that on. I really like that. And then I've typed the words "Baby, it's cold outside." I think I'm just going to keep that. I really like the background, how that snowflake's come out. So I don't really think I want an image today. I'm just going to put my words down and keep it simple. So there we are. I hope you have fun trying something similar out, and you've enjoyed that one today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.